Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are discussing about subtractions with borrowing. Let us see exercise 5.6 in the chapter addition and subtraction. Concept is subtraction now. For exercise 5.6 page number 73. Okay children, let us see question number 1. Subtract the following. One bigger number is written in the top, down smaller number is written. We have to take borrow and subtract. We all know how to take borrow. How much we have to take borrow, children? Yes, 10 we have to take borrow. That means 1 we will take and that is only saying as 10 borrow we are saying. Okay, now here 8 minus 9. From 8 we cannot subtract 9. So we need to take borrow. Am I correct? Bigger number is going to be subtracted from a smaller number. It cannot possible. So we have to take borrow. The need of taking borrow is happening here because bigger number is should be subtracted from a smaller number. It cannot take place. So that we should take borrow to continue our subtraction. Okay now? Then whenever 8 is taken borrow from the neighboring number, that 10 and this 8 together gives you 18. Am I correct? So 18 minus 9 gives you 9. From 18 we should subtract 9. That's why only 18 is written. Once again I am saying from 8 we cannot subtract 9 because 9 is bigger. So we have to take borrow. When borrow is taken, that will come as a 10. 10 taken newly borrow and 8 already with us. 10 and 8 addition gives you 18. Now right now we have 18 with us. From 18, if we subtract 9, you will get the answer as 9. Am I correct? So 18 minus 9 gives you 9 friends. So when borrow is given, this 3 will be changed as a 2. 3 will be changed as a 2 only. But from 2 we cannot subtract 8. So 2 also needed a borrow from the neighboring number. When 10 is taken and already 2 is there, we said 10 and 2 together, 10 and 2 addition, 12. That's why 12 is written. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. Is it clear? Then this 2 becomes 12. It is just because of taking borrow. That's why 4 changed as 3. 4 changed as 3 because already borrow taken from the 4. That's why 4 changed as 3. Now 3 minus 2 possible. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Take 3 fingers. 2 closed. 1 is there. That's why. Next 5 minus 4, 1. That is like ordinary subtraction without borrow, last part. Okay now? Can we do page 73 only second bit? Same manner, taking borrow. Wherever it is necessary, we will take borrow. See that bigger number is written in the top, smaller number is written in the down. We are subtracting. Is 9 minus 2 is possible? That means can we subtract 2 from 9? Yes, because 9 is only bigger and 2 is a smaller value. So we know smaller values can be subtracted from the bigger value. So we cannot take any borrow here. So 9 minus 2, take 9 fingers. 2 fingers have to be closed. Then how many are there? 7. 7 will be the answer. Correct one, no? Then here 2 minus 9, not possible. Because 2 is a smaller value. 9 is a bigger value, we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So then we will get borrow. Now take borrow 10. 10 and already 2 with us, becoming 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 gives you 3. When borrow is given, 8 changed as 7. Okay, no? Now 7 minus 2 answer is 5. Last one, 6 minus 5 answer is 1. It is clear, I think. Yes? Then we'll go for page number 74. We'll see those sums which are related with borrowing. Wherever the borrowings are needed, there we will do the borrowing part. Now see here, bigger number and smaller number arranged in the correct order to subtract. Now 8 minus 4 is possible because 8 is bigger and down 4 is smaller. So we cannot take any borrow here. So 8 minus 4 directly written as 4. Take 8 fingers and in that 4 should be closed. That 4 should be closed. Remaining how much? 4 are there. That's why answer is 4. Clear now? Next 8 minus 4 again 4 like first part only. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Clear? Next 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 not possible. We know that fact. So borrow. 10 borrow we got. 10 and 5 becoming 15. 10 and 5 addition is 15. 15 minus 9. From 15 if you subtract 9, our answer becoming 6. Here actually 0 is there. Cannot give any borrow to others. So from this 4 they have collected a borrow, that is 10. From the 10 they have given borrow to others. So this 10 becoming 9. That's why 0 becoming 9 we have written. Again I am saying from this 0 we cannot give any borrow to that 5. Then what should we do? This 4 should be given borrow first to the 0. Then that 0 can be given borrow to the 5. So in that view, if we understand this 4 gives you borrow to this 0, that means at 0 10 is there. From the 10 we have given borrow to the others. So 10 becoming 9. Now 9 it is. 9 minus 8 is 9 minus 1 is 8. Here 4 is already given borrow we said. 4 becoming 3. 3 minus 3, 0 we can write, or simply we cannot write also. Ignore also that because of 0 has no value. Even if you write, no problem. Got some idea? Now 7th question, see once we will come to know the method of doing again with borrowing. See once, bigger number written, smaller number written in the correct order. We are just subtraction. 2 minus 8 not possible. Let us take borrow 12 because 10 taken borrow, 10 and 2 12. 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8 is 4. Am I correct? Now here actually nothing to be given as borrow. So from 8 only we took borrow first. That is by the time 10 we have here at 0, 10 we have. From the 10 we have given borrow. So 10 becoming 9 for us, as we said in the previous answer. So 9 minus 6, 3. Then 8 already given borrow. So 8 becoming 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Am I correct? Yes. Next here also borrow is given, no? Here is not given, no borrow actually, but 6 minus 9 not possible. So 6 only want to borrow from the neighboring number. So 10 we brought. 10 and 6 is 16. When 6 is not allowing us to subtract 9 from the 6, then we should go for borrow. 6 becoming 16. 16 minus 9 gives you 7. Clear, no? Whenever your borrow is given for the 6, then this 4 becoming 3. 3 minus 2 answer is 1. That is the way we have to subtract with borrowing. When there is no possibility of subtraction, we should go for borrow from the neighboring numbers. We will get that. Now see one more question. Ninth question in the same page number 74. We will discuss bigger number and smaller number. These are 2 minus 6 not possible because down number is bigger and is unable to subtract from 2. So let us go for borrow. Then 10 borrow and 2 already there. 10 and 2 becoming 12. Am I correct? So 12 minus 6 gives you 6. Here also 3 given borrow. So 3 becoming 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 9. Then borrow should be taken from this 4. That 2 and this borrow 10. 2 and 10 gives you 12. Am I correct? 12 minus 9 becoming 3. Do you have some clear information on, Okay. Then your borrow is given. Just 3 will be left. But from 3 we cannot subtract this 4. So 3 also needed borrow from this 5. So 3 becoming 13. 13 minus 4 gives you 9. Then this 5 already given borrow we said just now. 5 becoming 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 also equal to 0. We need not write also these two zeros. Just for the sake of more clarity, I have written them now. But actually we can ignore them also. Is it clear, students? Already you have learned these subtractions right from the previous class and even before previous, like second, even first standard. Of course, third class we have done many subtractions. Now also there are some subtractions for us. We have to finish all these things. I hope it is clear for you. Take care of learning and revise yourself. And here and there some sums are left. You have to practice them well without missing. And take care of your thing, children. Don't move here and there. Take care of yourself. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.